Hi guys! I'm really excited because today I'm going to be unboxing the FabFitFun winter box. And I'm really excited about this box because it's the winter box and I'm pretty sure it's going to be all things cozy. So as always, there's always a magazine that tells you a little bit about the products that are in the box. And just some fun things in the magazine. It's like Christmas. I'm gonna get this one first because I'm so excited about this. This is, wow, it's really heavy. This is a faux fur blanket. It's the Unhide Little Marshmallow. Oh my gosh, and it's so soft, you guys. And it's really heavy. It's kind of weighted. This is really nice. You guys, I love blankets, so this was actually one of my choices. So if you're actually every member, whether you're a select or not, gets to choose a couple items in your box. And this was one of the choices. And I went with this because a girl can never have too many blankets. Gosh, it's like really tight in here. But this is really soft. Like, I'm really, really excited about this. The brand is Unhide. And probably I should have opened this up in like advance so that it wouldn't have all this stuff on it. But it's really wrapped up really tight. I'm not going to keep doing this for the sake of the video, but it's just like really soft. I'll have to read. I don't know what like the washing instructions are, but this is a $65 faux fur blanket and it's really soft. I'm excited to like open it up. And it's like pretty big, like and bulky. So I'm really excited about that. This is from Drybar. There's a Prime and Prep Detangler. I love Drybar. Shameless plug, they give like amazing blowouts, like where you just get to go and get your hair washed and they do your hair. And their products are amazing. I love their purple shampoo to like lighten like natural like blonde tones and unnatural blonde tones. But yeah, this is the Prime and Prep Detangler, which I always need. My hair is always a knotted mess. And that is going to be normally $23. These are going to be some natural Dead Sea bath salts. So it's kind of just like a Dead Sea bath salt that you can use to like soak in. I have, with mountain biking and dirt bike riding, I have been loving taking like Epsom salt baths, and I'm really excited to try this like natural Dead Sea bath salt, where it says that it will help you relax, provide a sense of relief, and soften your skin. Immerse yourself in the waters of well-being. So I'm looking forward to trying this. And that is normally a $16 bag. And then, ooh, what do we have here? Here we have an Adore bracelet. It's a rose gold plated and has one Swarovski crystal in it. This is really pretty and really delicate. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's just really delicate. I really like that. It's like a color that can go with anything. And this was originally $39. It says, add some sparkle to your wrist. Each bracelet features an irregular circle design, a rose gold plated chain, and a shining Swarovski crystal. I love Swarovski, but I love anything that sparkles and glitters, so I'm really excited about that. Yes. Essential in a winter box going into 2020, a planner that has like a nice like floral print. This is really nice. This is a 12-month planner, and this is originally a $28 planner. We also have speaking of Epsom salts, an Epsom salt hand and body wash. A daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. This is from Cuxio? Casio? I don't know how you pronounce that. Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean. This looks nice. And that's originally $40. Then we're gonna have a makeup eraser, an antibacterial reusable, great for sensitive skin, saves money. Never tried one of these, but sounds like you just add water and you can wash your face with this. So that's kind of cool. I think this was in every box. I think I saw a video about this. And this is originally $20. And then, oop, I think this is the last item. Slippers! Told you I was excited for all things cozy. So these are going to be the PJ Salvage faux trim cable slippers. These are originally $45. Oh gosh, and they are really soft too. It's too bad you can't like touch and feel like on videos, like you could feel how soft these are. These are just like a really cute like sweater material and then like fur. So yeah, so that's everything from my winter box. I was really excited to share the unboxing with you guys. And I tried to make this video a little bit shorter since some of my other videos were a little long. But yeah, happy winter, y'all.